Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're watching Shadows Artist and I'm Chavi here. Before beginning to my video, subscribe to my channel. So this video is about mandala art. Colors I used here are based on teal, blue, white. Yeah, I have kept that concept. I got a comment saying to show how to make this background. I made this mandala art for my brother on Raksha Bandhan, so the video will be in the iCard. You can go and watch it. This is my color palette. Colors I used here are viridian blue, cobalt blue, hue phthalo blue, yellow organ black. And first I started applying white color. White color here I used was from Camlin Fluid Acrylic Colors, and then I started dabbing colors which I mixed using a sponge. In the whole video I only used sponge to make the background. The background I used a good amount of sponge because my canvas and my color both were watery. So every time I had to apply new color, I had to use a new sponge. This is the first coat. After that I'll be applying the second coat also. So yeah, I am second coat. The color palette is almost same. Just I have added some more colors, but it's almost same. Applying same colors as it was in the first coat. Once I was finished with applying the second coat, then I applied color on the sides also. And now I'm starting with mandala art. As usual, I used a compass making the circles and all. And I used dark blue from Camlin only. These are Fabrica acrylic colors. I used blue color and mixed it with little bit black. And I used metallic gold color from Fluid Acrylic Colors, and I also used metallic silver color. I've started making different patterns. I've contrasted my blue color with the golden color here, and it's totally upon you how you make different patterns, or it's upon how you would like to make. And if you do a mistake, you just have to rub it with your fingers so that it looks like that patch is a part of the background. Outline my circle with the golden color. Here I've used round brushes only, 0, 1 and 2, just these numbers. I'm making zigzag pattern here, and this is the pattern which I am making, this one. Let me continue. Now I'm using metallic silver color, and it's also fluid acrylic colors from Camlin. This is most probably the last design I'm making, and after that I'll be writing on the top. This is Fabrica color from Camlin. I did 2 coats of gold color on this pattern because the first one was looking dull. These are fluid acrylic colors from Camlin. The shade is silver metallic. And I'm writing dream big, live bigger. So yeah, this is the final outcome. I hope you would like this video. If you like this video, turn that great thumbs up button blue. If you didn't like this video, you can give it a thumbs down, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.